Alright guys, so I'm recording this not live. I'm just recording this separately because we lost the cell phone signal over here. We're actually in between the mountains. Juan Pablo there, the guide, he's leading this group of volunteers, students from AUC. We're helping clean the bay. And this is an activity from Community Action Day. This is Gus, by the way. Gus Galloway. You've seen some of my other videos that I uploaded this week. So we're showing you a little bit of what AUC is all about. The identity of our school, represented in every single individual here, and represented in the island of St. Maarten. This area is not accessible by road. There's only a trail, a hiking trail that it took us about, I want to say maybe 15 minutes, about a half a mile up and down the mountains. Beautiful, beautiful hike. For those of you in California, it reminds me a little bit of California with the cliffs and the vegetation. The vegetation is a little dry on this side because of the high winds. It keeps it dry. There's no little humidity, little rain on this side of the mountain. Get closer.
If it's wood, just don't worry because it's biodegradable. Mainly what we're looking for is a lot of these little cups. Usually they get cut from ships or other vessels. Ropes. That is not biodegradable. Thank you guys. Use your gloves, you doctors.
So we have a group here of second semester students, third semester students, and fourth semester students just helping out, volunteering during Community Action Day, helping with cleaning up Genevevre Bay. We're gonna get closer. I'm gonna try to do some cleanup as well as I'm holding the phone, and I wanted to show you. Get a little closer. Give you a first-person view of what's happening during Community Action Day. We may go to other events later today as well. There are multiple events going on today. About 200 students volunteering. 200 students. That's about 50% of the medical sciences population at AUC. An incredible show of commitment to their community, to the island of St. Maarten, to AUC. And this is the future physicians of North America and the world. Individuals from all over the world. North America, Canada, of course, over there. Just slide down a little bit. I know. I am not following rules. I am a rebel. So I just slid down a little bit because I'm holding the camera and it is slippery. I'm trying to go down slow, but I wanted to show you as long as I keep myself safe. Let me go a little bit from this side over here. All right. Everything is good. Okay. So as you can tell, there's a lot of plastic. There's debris from the ocean, not from the ocean. People, and the ocean just brings it here. The water, the way the water tides, or the ocean tides, and the currents bring a lot of the garbage from the ships and from people. They bring the garbage over here. There's a little bit of everything, if you can see. You know, and maybe this is a call to action to many of you watching this, to take care of our environment. This is a beautiful island, a fantastic destination for tourism, but it's also home to many animals and plants, and this doesn't really, you know, this is just sad to see all the garbage from the ocean, and you can see for yards and yards just covered in garbage. Now there's a lot of stuff here, as Juan Pablo was saying, which is biodegradable. There's a lot of wood, ropes, although nets are sometimes made out of plastic. So, but certainly this is overwhelming to see. I'll get a little closer to the ocean, to the water, so you can see I'm actually even getting a little sparkled with water over here. The waves are crashing. I think because of the wind, there are more waves than usual, or higher, stronger waves. And we have our students just helping with the cleanup. Thank you for all you do. Can I use your garbage bag?
Yeah. Still videotaping?
Yeah.
Grab these shells, take these out.
Some shells we found. Oh, that's cool. That is very pretty, huh? You found them over here?
Yeah, I found them right by the water.
Still showing a little bit around. So it's part of the cleaning effort. Also, students get to know each other more. There are many benefits to volunteering, guys. You get to meet other people. So I highly encourage it. There's some, I think this is probably some people who came over, put together this formation of rocks together. There's a dead bird, unfortunately, probably affected by the garbage and the contamination in these areas of pollution. We're going to get closer to this. Definitely, you can see the garbage and how it affects everything. Just think twice about when you get bottles of water and anything that may be thrown outside in the ocean and cause damage and cause pollution. This is a great opportunity. Great use of students and members of AUC and their staff here to help and give back. So the videos. I'm actually going to get down and help a little bit. But I'll leave you with this view. It's a bittersweet view, right? You get the garbage, but you also see the incredible ocean and the waves. And so, very poetic. Alright guys, this is Gus. Again, I'll be transmitting more videos later on.